Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a wireless charging solution that is going to work for your Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but it will work with a variety of devices, any device that supports Qi charging, including the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now we've looked at several products from Incipio and wireless chargers as well. Unlike some of the other ones that we've looked at that are smaller or dual, this is more of a full-size charger that has 3 coils. And what that means is that when you place your phone on top of the charger, it's going to have a better charging, I would say, not rate, but it's going to be easier for it to find what is known as the sweet spot for charging. So you won't have to move the phone around a lot because this is more the size of the phone. Now what you sacrifice is something that is small and convenient and easy to carry. You have something a little bit larger, but it just means that when you place your phone on top of it, it's going to charge immediately. Now this charger, not only will it support, like we mentioned, the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8, and 8 Plus, is going to support the full line of Samsung products, which is what we're focusing on today. What is important about that is that this charger does support fast charging. So you notice 3 times faster. It is going to charge that fast charging rate that is available on the Samsung devices. And for those of you who may be curious on all the devices that it supports, you'll see right here that it has a wide variety of devices, again, looking at any device that is Qi compatible. So let's see what's in the box and see how this device works. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when new videos become available. Now, in addition to a user guide, you're going to receive a power charger or power source brick, as well as the charging pad itself. The neat thing about this is that the actual charging brick, you don't have to use the one that comes with your phone, and you don't have to buy another one. So this one is included with the actual charging pad. Now, as we look at the bottom here, you'll notice that it does come in really nicely here and tucks away. So you can tuck it away right here. And it has a very generously long cable. So you can put this on your nightstand. You can put this in your office. This could put you on your desk, wherever you'd like, where you're going to do the charging. Now, for those of you who are curious on some of the specs, we're just going to put this in view right here so you can see what's going on here. These are all the details as far as the output, and you can see that the output is rated fairly high, which is going to account for that fast charging that we want, so that it will charge things much faster. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we charge things. Now, as we look into that, a couple things to highlight is that you do have some rubberized feet on each side. You'll notice that you have this little plus sign is where you're going to put your phone, but you're going to see that it's going to charge and find its position much faster. And then you also have a nice LED that's going to glow here. So let me plug it in so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so here is our S9 Plus. I'm just going to place it right on top of it, and as soon as I place it on top of it, it goes into charging mode. More importantly, you'll see that it has fast charging, and you'll notice that I did not have to move it up or down. Now I'm going to hold on to it right here, and I'm going to bring it up so you can see. It does have a really cool LED on the bottom that lights up really nicely, indicating that it is charging. So really neat and very flexible when it comes to charging, fast charging, and then supporting many devices. So there you have it, guys. Short and sweet. This is the Incipio Ghost Qi 15-watt 3-coil wireless charger. Make sure you subscribe by hitting that button. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.